Welcome to Key to IGCSE. Today we're going to talk about chapter 1.1, different types of numbers. And here comes the practice number 1. Here is a set of numbers as shown in the brackets. And let's try to list the numbers from this set that are these following types of numbers. Well, first we have to take a look at the definition of natural number, okay? It is defined as any whole number from 1 to infinity, sometimes called counting numbers, and 0 is not included. So if we're count something, okay, so we're going to use natural numbers. So as defined, we can list them as 3, 4, 6, 11, 16, 19, and 25. Well, you have to pay special notice that 0 is not a natural number in our system of study, okay? Alright, let's move on to the next type. Even numbers. They're defined as a whole number that can be divided exactly by 2. So, what are they? Obviously, -4, 0, 4, 6, 16 are even numbers. And pay attention that even numbers also include negative numbers and 0, because these two types of numbers are able to be divided by 2 also, okay? Very good. And then let's take a look at odd numbers. A whole number that cannot be divided exactly by 2 is called an odd number. So obviously, -1, 3, 11, 19, and 25 are odd numbers. Very good. And do pay attention that odd numbers also include negative numbers here, okay? Very good. Then, integer. What is an integer? Any of the negative and positive whole numbers, and also including 0, and they're all belonging to integers. So we have these numbers, integers here, okay? Very good. And pay attention that 0 is an integer because it doesn't have a fraction or decimal part, okay? Alright, let's move on. Next one is negative number. And obviously, any number or any whole numbers less than 0 are negative integers. For example, -4 and -1 here. And now, fraction. So what is a fraction? A number representing part of a whole number, written in the form a over b, where a and b are non-zero integers. It is a fraction, okay? So in this case, 1/2 is a fraction. And then, square number. So what is a square number? It's the product obtained when an integer is multiplied by itself. For example, 0 times itself equals 0, 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25. So these 4 numbers here are square numbers. And then, prime number. It is defined as a whole number greater than 1, which has only 2 factors, the number itself and 1, okay? So among these, we have 3 prime numbers here, 3, 11, 19. So when you try to divide this number by 1 in itself, it's okay, but you cannot find any number else to divide it, okay? Very good. And pay attention that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, because it is not belonging to its definition, okay? And now, decimal. It is defined a number that used place value and a decimal point to show a fraction. For example, we have 0.75 here, and we see a decimal point, and also this number shows part of a whole, which is exactly as a fraction is defined. Okay? Very good.